Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Xiaomi Redmi 10A has a stereo speakers. So first of all, let's locate all of the speakers on this device, and the first one we can already see, and that's a phone call speaker on the top right here. Next is on the bottom here, and there's nothing on top, left and right and back side of this device. Now we can play some music and cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of them, that means this phone has a stereo speakers. If not, that means this phone doesn't have it. So now let's try it. So clearly sound is coming from the bottom source only, and there's no sound from the top, and that would mean this device doesn't have a stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.